It's pretty common to get brown tips on your peace lily, and there's a whole load of reasons why that might be happening that I talk about in a different video, but in this one we're just going to get rid of those brown tips. Grab a pair of clean sharp scissors in one hand and a sad looking leaf in the other, and cut off the brown stuff and make your cut at an angle so that you end up with a natural looking leaf shape that's going to blend in with the rest of the plant. If you just cut straight across, you get these blunt leaf tips that look really out of place among the healthy leaves. If you've got a nice bushy peace lily, or it's in its growing season where it's putting out lots of lovely new growth, then you could cut the entire leaf off. So just look down the stem for the point where it connects to the main plant and cut a little above there. You should never cut off more than a third of your plant in one pruning, so don't get too overexcited and trim off too many of them. I usually just trim off the tips, especially if it's on a big healthy looking leaf. But if I've got, a little weedy looking one, then I'll cut it off completely. And leaves like this where it's not just the tip or the edge, I'll get them off entirely because there's just no way to trim this leaf and maintain that natural leaf shape. They're fast growers, and these sad leaves are taking energy from the plant, so when you cut them off, the roots have more energy to put into new growth and the existing growth, so you'll end up with a healthier, happier plant overall. If you're getting a lot of brown tips, then check out my video about the common causes of that so you can try and figure out why it's happening and how to keep your little green friend happy and brown tip free.